Woo, it's hot. Just got back from my run and I am just gonna make today's video brief and short. Welcome to Life Gains 101. Sorry for not mentioning that. This is gonna be a short video because unfortunately I just wanna give some news about me making some content in the future. It's gonna be an 8-day, I don't know what I'm gonna do because I have to recover. Because it's all about doing incremental change, regardless if it's just getting fit or just trying to make yourself a better version of you. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up really early. I have to be in Dallas at 7 a.m. and I am getting a hair transplant. Because in case you haven't noticed, it's a little bit thin up there. And that's something that you can do today, technologies. So I'm gonna take advantage of that, make a better version of me, just for me. It's just something that I told myself. I was like, I was born with a full set of hair and I'm gonna die with a full set of hair. That's just how it goes, man. That's the rule I made for me. So you make some rules for you. Some of the other rules I have is just make sure I'm a better version of myself, staying fit, eating healthy, and just surrounding myself with some positive people and getting involved in things that make me marketable. I'm also enrolling in some dance classes, bachata classes and salsa, and I'm gonna go get involved in some jiu-jitsu. So I'm just trying to find time to squeeze all that in. And probably getting some music too. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm trying to do, but I have to take 8 days of recovery. So perhaps the new content will be about things that are still for self-help and still to help you keep that positive, optimistic mentality going. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to brainstorm some ideas, and I enjoy making content. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and make a nice comment, all right? See you guys later.